Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert monitor or TV symbol in Word. So this is very easy and a simple method. So firstly click on insert, now this last symbol, now more symbols. So one screen will be open, so just one select this one, just click on this drop down and select it. Now need to type this character code E2CB. Just type this character code and click on insert. Now this one E2C8. Just type this character code and click on insert. This one E2D8. Just type this character code and click on insert. E2DC. Just type this character code and click on insert. Now this one E2E6. Just type this character code and click on insert. Yeah, this one E2FE. Just type this and click on insert. Now this last E2DD. Just type this character code and click on insert. Now close it. So this way you can insert monitor or TV symbol in Word. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please send like and subscribe this channel.